Hello friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar, and I am really excited about this session. In this session, we are not going to get right something very unique, something that most of us get wrong. We actually have to get wrong, right? Because doing right is not what this video is for. I just came across data. I came across a number that was really surprising for me, though not an astonishing fact. Sounds very real, sounds logical, but yet surprising. Let me tell you that. There was a survey done and understood about the average number of people listen it very carefully. What according to you is the average number of tries people do before giving up? What according to you would be a number, if you had to put it up, what would that number be of the average number of tries a person gives in before giving up on anything? What is the average number of tries a person gives in before giving up? 4, 5, 2, 9, 10, 15? It is less than 1. It is less than 1. So what does that mean? That most of the people give up even before trying for the first time. Most of the people are giving up even before trying for the first time. That means that they are not even trying it once. That means they are not even starting to do. They are giving up before they even give them their first attempt, and nothing is gonna be successful in the first time. Still 90% of the people give up before trying. Another 5, 6, 7% give up after they tried once. Only a few people reach to the second or the third time, and only a very few try it for 10, 20, 30, 40 times. So, what are you going to do about this? When do you give up before trying on anything? How many times do you try for anything? How many times do you do something before giving up on that? I would come to another thing. We always hear of people saying that I'll try doing this, I am trying to do this, I'm trying to do this, I'm trying to do that, I'm trying to get the presentation done, I am trying to win the game, I am trying to pass my examination, I'm trying to. But tell me one thing, when do we use this word try? Let's say, for an example, your boss gave you a task to complete the presentation by today evening. And if you give a response, yes, I will try to submit it by evening, what you mean to say is that you have already given up on the fact that you won't be able to submit it today in the evening. Yet, you are saying to the boss, because he has asked you to submit it by evening, you are saying him that you will try to submit by evening, but most probably it's not gonna happen. You have already given up. Let's say your boss says you, hey, can you try and submit this by today evening? What would you take from that message? Your first impression would be that it's okay if you do not submit it by today evening. So when the boss uses the word try, he means that it's okay if you do not submit the work by today evening. When you say that word, that means that you are saying that it's okay, or you will not be able to submit it by today evening. And when you are sending this message to your boss, before sending this message to your boss, you are sending this message to yourself first, that you will be trying. And when you give this message to yourself first, to your mind first, that you will try, that means you will not be able to, that means you will never be able to. So whenever you have to do something, never ever use the word try. You say that I will do it until it is done. Do things until they are done. Do not just keep trying on getting things done. Do things until they are done. No matter how many number of tries or how many number of attempts it takes, how many times you fail in between, how many times you drip, you fall, you in between, but you do until it gets done. You get the job done. You have to keep doing it until it gets done. That is the one word answer, one sentence answer to all the problems in your life. You do things until you get done. You do not try to do things until it gets done. Never ever in your life try to get things done until it gets done. Do things until it gets done. So, I hope this helps you in some ways, and if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to get in touch with me. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll be helping you with your questions, your queries. Until then, have a great and a wonderful evening. Bye bye.